Oh my god, guys. I just found out on Facebook. Ricegum is officially dating Summer. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Clickbait TV here. If you clicked on my video, you've been pranked. That sucks for you, but the thing you do get to see that's really funny is you get to see my icy grills. Look at those. You're probably just jealous if you don't have grills yet, but anyway, so if you clicked on this video, you made a big mistake because it's called clickbation. Not abortion, clickbation. Not people have been saying I say abortion, clickbation. Yeah. So basically, I'm gonna be posting this on YouTube, saying how many views I can get. If you do watch this video, you better give me ads, okay? Once I have ads, I make the monies and I buy more grills and I donate to more children. So click on my video because it's for a good cause. I don't know how to Photoshop, so it might be pretty obvious. But I think the moral of the story here is jealousy is key. And I think you guys are just really jealous of my job and my clickbaiting and my grills. So, yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. If this video can reach 100.5 million likes, I will jump off a bridge without my GoPro. Okay. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to give away 300,000 fidget spinners in the next video if it reaches 1 million likes. Alright, so catch you guys later. Wait, no, we gotta make the video longer so they think it's a long video. Ricegum cheats. But anyway, hopefully this gets over 1 million views. This is my sister, if you guys wanted to meet her. Hey, my name is Haley. That's my sister. These are my grills. Icy check. Anyway, boys, today we are going to be discussing Donald Trump. So, Donald Trump, tell me why you have red hair. Tell me why your hair looks like underwear. I don't want to hear it. You're fat as heck, and you like to deport Mexicans and throw them off a deck. You're so disrespectful and racist and cruel. Oh my gosh, you need to jump in a pool. Lose some weight and do some exercise. Dye your skin back to the regular kind. Ooh, I don't want to hear it now. You're orange like an orange, and you're peeling like a scowl. I don't even know if a scowl is a word, but the weird word is that you are a turd. Donald Trump, you need to go away. You need to go away and not make us pay. Your taxes are ridiculous. Your deportations are too. Oh my gosh, you smell like poo. Oh my goodness, I don't want to hear it from you. I might be white, but I can rap's a good dude. Oh my gosh, that was another fire line. Oh my gosh, I don't have enough time. I swear to God, if you don't leave this country, you better leave this country before I make you leave this country. Oh my gosh, Sunshine, what the frick is going on? Wow.